Welcome back everybody, this is William here from Nifty Media. Today I'll be showing you how to take these off, and I'm going to clean them and make them look a little bit fresher for when I put the new wheels on. Let me show you what I'm going to do. What I do now is I'm just going to use some basic dish soap and just give them a good old scrub so that I can get all the dust and small little bits of grime. As you can, I don't know if you can see, there we go, you can kind of see it there. Get that out and hopefully they look a lot better. Okay, so now that we've cleaned them up, I've just rinsed them in a little bit of clean water, but I think they're actually looking really great. Obviously we'll have one or two little surface scratches like that because it's just basic wear and tear on the little sticker, but I think they look pretty cool. Definitely came out nice. Right now I'm just cleaning them with a cloth so that they don't sit in the sun for too long, but I can see there's no scratches, nothing. It's quite clean. Let me know in the comments. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. You guys know, show some support.